So, laking tipid. Meron kaming free supply ng 2 trays of eggs and then fish din. Hello everyone! Happy Tuesday! So, it's 12:21 PM. Punta kami ngayon sa aming appointment ni Zeta, doon sa aming private healthcare provider. So, yun yung isa pa naming binabayaran bukod doon sa health insurance. Ayaw kasi ipa-cancel ni Mr. Love, why don't you wanna cancel this service that we have?
I don't know. So we have access to prescriptions.
We have access to prescriptions because we have health insurance.
Yeah, but we don't.
So, ayun. Additional bayad yun kasi how much are we paying for that? $75 and $35.
Zeta and
No, for me it's $75. For Zeta it's $35 per month. Tapos, sabi sa akin nung nurse dun sa aming pinagpapa-check-upan dun sa OBGYN office, pagka ilalabas, bago ilabas si baby, kailangan meron na kaming masabi na saang pediatrician namin siya dadalhin. So, itatanong namin dito sa aming private healthcare provider kung nag-accept sila ng newborn. Kasi kung oo, yun, ipapasok din namin doon sa services na yun, yung magiging new baby natin. Wow! Si Zeta. Twinning kami ni Zeta ng damit. Sabi ni Mr. if I did this daw on purpose. Sabi ko, yes. I should have bought something for you, like floral blue polo shirt. Don't you have a blue polo shirt? No? So, eto ay 45 minutes away.
I have the one with the flamingos on it.
Flamingo?
Flamingo.
Ah, the one. Oh, yeah, I remember. I should have worn that. Summer outfit. So, ayun, sana hindi kami malate. Pero parang okay lang naman sa kanila na malate kung ilang minutes. Kasi hindi sila mahigpit. At saka, sila talaga yung magfo-force sa inyo na magpa-check up. Lagi akong mini-message nung secretary dito sa aming private healthcare provider na, kung kailan daw ulit magpapa-check up. Minsan hindi na ako nagre-reply kasi busy nga. Saka parang hindi naman namin kailangan. Pero yun din yung kagandahan nun. Kaya, hindi rin kinakancel ni Mr. Kahit na additional bayad siya. Hindi rin naman siya ganun kalaki. Say hi! Say hi! Dali! Look, when the camera is in front of her, she won't say hi. A while ago, she said hi. Baby, say hi! Say, how are you? Zeta! Zeta. So talaga si baby kanina nung wala pang camera, sabi ko, can you say hi? That she said hi. Pero nung nakita niya na yung camera, ayaw nang magsalita. Malakas sa tatay mo, ayaw ng camera. Ayan, medyo malapit na tayo guys, and hindi ko alam kung malilate kami kasi it's 12:57. Do you think we're gonna be on time or we're gonna be late?
Late.
Ayun, malilate yata kami. Pero yun nga, hindi naman sila masyadong mahigpit sa time.
Late by 1 minute is not.
1 minute?
I mean, to be fair, I didn't even want to come here. I think it's dumb. So.
You were the one who wants us to sign up
I
on
can be
this.
late or not late. I just, whatever.
Ayan. Sila kasi yung talaga, nagpupursige na pa-check up. Ito namang check up, wala siya mga kopay-kopay kasi nga private healthcare provider siya. So, yung monthly na binabayad namin, yun lang talaga yun. Unless meron kang gagawing test or something. Pero, wala naman.
I don't even know why they want us to come here. If they just leave us alone, they don't have to do anything.
They want to. They want us to take advantage of the services. That's what they said last time. Which is a good thing, I guess.
I want to take advantage of my free time by keeping it free.
It's been a while since we visited here.
Not long enough. It should have been like 3 times as much that time.
Well, at least they are doing their job.
And then I got health problems.
Because you're not enrolled.
I know, but
you should have enrolled.
I got this skin thing. I was like, some kind of.
You should have enrolled instead of me.
Yeah, I think I got more health problems than you.
Just, you know, if we could ask them if they could just replace me. If you could just replace me. It's the same amount though. So, andito na tayo guys. 4 Elements yung name ng clinic. Yung itsura niya ganyan, parang bahay lang. So, park na tayo dito. Hindi naman kami late kasi ito palang aming orasan dito ay advance ng 5 minutes. So, 4 minutes early pa tayo. And nag-fill up na rin naman ako ng mga kailangan nila online. So, I think it's gonna be fine.
Wait, are we late or wait early?
We're not.
We're not what?
We're not late, I guess. Dahil na kami guys dun sa aming check-up. Parang nagtagal din siya ng mga 2 hours. So, kakain kami dito sa Apple Crisp. Ano lang siya, parang wrap. Pero maraming tao dito lagi. Mula nung nag-open sila. Ayan siya, Apple Crisp. Is it open?
Because there's no car there. I don't think there's anybody here. Yeah, because where is their car?
Parang walang tao ata. Ay, closed yata sila. Closed.
City streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night. Shout from the top, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laugh's so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
Zayda! So, nakauwi na kami guys dito sa bahay. Sayang sarado yung yung apple crisp. Masarap pa na, mukhang masarap pa naman siya. Parang Saturday, Sunday, and Friday lang pala sila open. So, nakauwi na kami guys. Galing doon sa clinic. Yes, sa clinic. And then, dumaan din kami sa Walgreens para i-pick up yung aking iron. Diba? Last time, na-mention ko sa inyo na anemic ako, kaya nag-prescribe ng iron supplement yung aking OBGYN. Kaso ngayon lang namin kinuha. So, yun pa lang aking health insurance company. Hindi sila naka-tie up or wala silang contract sa Walgreens. So, kailangan naming magbayad. But then, yung office ng OBGYN ko, nag-send sila sa akin ng discount card. So, this one, from $25, using the discount card, naging ano na lang siya. $7.73. So, laking tipid. Pero papalitan ko na yung pharmacy na nilagay ko doon sa records ko sa OBGYN. Nakahanap na ako ng pharmacy na naka-tie up or may contract sa health insurance ko para i-cover nila yung gamot or siguro may discount din. Tapos anyway, nagpunta rin pala dito yung aking mom-in-law habang kami ay nagtatanim doon. Si Mr. nagtatanim ng okra habang kami ni Zayda ay naglalaro lang doon. Nagdala siya ng, meron kaming free supply ng eggs. Ayan, 2 trays of eggs and then fish din. Diba na may mention ko naman lagi na yung aking father-in-law is mahilig mag-fishing. So, siya yung nagsusupply sa akin ng mga fish for free. So, laking tipid niya. Ayun, and another update. Medyo hindi namin mapigilan na mag-alala dahil nga ako ay nag-start ng mag-swollen. Mamanas. Kaya talagang kakausapin ni Mr. yung aming... Or kinausap na niya kanina, kaya lang voicemail. So, nag-iwan siya ng voicemail para ma-move yung C-section ko kung pwede. Na mas maaga. Kasi baka feeling ko talaga mag-labor ako or manganganak ako ng mas maaga kaysa sa 39 weeks. Sana pumayag sila kahit 38 weeks and a half. Do you think 38 weeks and a half is it?